If Gmail is showing error code 9, don't worry. This usually points to a temporary connection issue, a sync problem or a browser session problem while Gmail is trying to load your messages. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Gmail working again as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's start with the first thing you should always check. Before changing anything on your device, go to the Google Workspace status dashboard and see whether Gmail is having a service issue. Open your browser and visit the Google Apps status dashboard. If Gmail is down or having a temporary outage, the problem may not be on your end at all. This is important because if Google is experiencing a service disruption, clearing your browser or changing settings won't fix it right away. So take a moment to confirm the status first. If Gmail is showing as normal, the next step is to refresh Gmail directly and try loading your inbox again. Open Gmail in your browser and go to your inbox page. Sometimes error code 9 happens because the session just needs to reload properly. A simple refresh can reconnect Gmail and restore access to your messages. If that doesn't work, move on to clearing your browser cache. Over time, cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and that can stop Gmail from loading correctly. To do this in most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Delete Browsing Data and make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. Then clear the data and restart the browser. After that, open Gmail again and check whether the error is gone. If Gmail still isn't working, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Gmail's scripts and cause loading issues. Open your browser menu again, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, refresh Gmail and see if it loads normally. This step is especially useful if Gmail was working before and suddenly started showing error code 9 after you installed a new extension. If the error disappears after turning off an extension, you've found the cause. You can leave that extension disabled or remove it completely. Now, once you've gone through these fixes, try signing back into Gmail and loading your inbox again. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get your account working normally. If this video helped you fix Gmail error code 9, please hit like, subscribe, and share the video with someone else who might be stuck on the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.